Welcome to Storytelling DIY. Today I start with a story just for you. This is Eddie the Teddy, and he likes the color red. One day he decided to take a trip in his new car. He locked the door to his house and off he went. First things first, he thought, I need to get food for the picnic later. So he got tomatoes, chili, and eggs, dragon fruit, and persimmons, and a tasty cake for dessert. City traffic was bad, so he parked his car, put the food into a bag, and set off on foot, following the street sign. What Eddie enjoyed a lot was to discover things in his favorite color, or something close to red. The more his focus was on this, the more he found. I need a rest. All the walking had made him tired, and he sat down. With a bottle of berry juice. Newly energized, he looked for a present for his girlfriend Bella and found a gorgeous pair of earrings, which he got wrapped up, and then spent a considerable time looking for the perfect ribbon. He also attached a heart. Evening was slowly approaching, and Eddie had another hour before he was going to meet Bella. So he made a quick visit to his friend Bhakti, who showed him his latest accessory. After a tasty strawberry smoothie, Eddie rushed off to where Bella and he had agreed to meet, near the lighthouse. Eddie and Bella had a lovely time on the beach, picnic and all. And just before the sun disappeared completely below the horizon, Eddie did what he had planned all along. And Bella said, "This is a story entirely inspired by the photos that I had taken over a period of time. You can do this. Next time you are out and about, decide on a color, maybe your favorite color. Then look for objects in this color and take a photo. This in itself is a fun thing to do, because you get a completely different perspective on your surroundings. Make a digital or hard copy display of these photos and find connections between the individual snapshots. These connections do not have to be realistic. Whatever link you see is fine and goes into your story. You can do this project all by yourself or involve friends, family, or students to contribute. Have a go and create a one-color story. See you in my next storytelling tutorial.